This is a tracking device, an ad server, a magnet for pornography, and an invitation to hackers. It's also called a smartphone, which makes you wonder, if it's so smart, why does it allow all these unwanted invasions? The answer is in the motivations of phone makers, web browsers, and cell networks. The bottom line is, well, the bottom line. These companies make more money off selling your data than charging for your service, so they have a lot of open doors in their systems that allow for tracking and ad delivery. Open doors that often get exploited by hackers and the purveyors of smut, whose motivations are the same: make money off innocent people, especially our children. So why doesn't somebody make a truly smartphone that blocks ads, malware, trackers, and pornography right out of the box? Well, here it is, ClearPhone. It runs on a private network built on security first, and it uses artificial intelligence to root out threats, sketchy apps, and dodgy content. Here's how it works. This is my favorite feature as a mom. If someone tries to search a bad site, it blocks it automatically right out of the box. Now you can click the Request Unblock button, but for a site like this, it won't let you, which means my kids are safe. Say my son wants to go to a legitimate site like this. He searches. It may block it just because it doesn't recognize it as an approved site yet. He can request an unblock, and I can actually unblock it from my phone. So once I've unblocked it, you just refresh the page, and it pops right up. Here we are at the New York Times. You'll notice as we scroll that this one has ads, and this one does not, which means it loads faster and that my kids are safer. So even on a legitimate news site like New York Times, there are over 30 trackers, and ClearPhone blocks all of the bad ones. There you have it. The only phone that runs on a private network, blocks all the bad stuff, and gives you total control. That's more than smart. It's brilliant.